Several years ago, someone gave me a model. This model is of a car that I already have. I've got the 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. Quite frankly, I don't remember who gave me the model. I'd like to be able to thank them again. It is a project and a half. When I looked inside the box, I originally put the box back on the shelf and said, we're going to take care of this later. Well, I did start on it. I've got about 2 weeks into the project, and it is quite a project. This is just a sample of the instruction sheet. If you look at the engine, I think there are 16 separate parts that make up the engine. There's all these different sub-assemblies. And this is only one half of it. The rest of it's over here. So what I've done, some painting, some sub-assembly work already done. You know, there's a separate seats. The engine is in here. It shows the mufflers, the frame. There's actually a real suspension, shock absorbers, rear differential, tie rod ends. Everything you can think of that the car has, this has. Some chrome parts, some black rubber parts, some red plastic parts, clear plastic parts. We got windshields and lenses and windows and more little tiny things than you can possibly imagine. And the kit actually makes several cars. It's also some like a upgraded stuff with bucket seats and wide wheels. So this is just a basket of parts that I'm not going to use. But the doors will open. There's an inner door panel, which I haven't glued in yet. It's just an extremely detailed kit. Little tiny bottles of paint. It's going to keep me busy for another few more weeks, that's for sure. And I hope it comes out looking good. Because this is what my car looks like. It's the red and white. Whoop, door just fell off. But that's my baby. So, if you're whoever gave this to me, let me know. I just wish I could remember.